everybody, this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card tutorials, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll be notified when my videos come up. So today, I'm supposed to be doing my cards for Kindest Gnomes, but my last video, I did my super Stampin' Up! Retired sale, and these are all the stamps and dies and paper and everything that I use for my card videos that just retired from all the catalogs. So this is this is part 2. This is what's left over. So let's start with the stamps. I have Sweet Ice Cream, and it's the stamp and the punch. They're $10 each, so you can get the bundle for $20. And by the way, I take Zelle, Venmo, and PayPal, so I can send you a payment request or whatever. But here is Sweet Ice Cream. And then the next one I'm going to show you is Catching Butterflies. I think I just had a lady email me for this one, so this one might be gone, so you never know. The next one I've got is Shark Frenzy. I still have Shark Frenzy. That's a cute set. And then Darling Donkeys. I did some really cute videos with Darling Donkeys, and I'll go ahead because I can just cut and paste from the last video. In the description of this video, I'm going to put all the videos of the card tutorials that I did for every card, because I've done a card on all of these. So this one is still available. I also have Sweet Strawberry and the punch. So it's $10 a piece. Everything's like $10. So except for the little stuff, which I'll get to in the end. So there's Sweet Strawberry. Also Counting Sheep. This was such a cute one. This is a celebration. The video on this card for this card is just really darling, so look it up. So just go to the description of my video. There's either a little like a down arrow thing or show more or something, and it brings everything up about me and what I've used in all my videos. There's no hiding anything. So anyway, here's Counting Sheep. Birch. Now Birch is one of those stamps you really need a Stamparatus for, or whatever, you got a Moxie, and because you really need one big one, or you can use that great big block. But here's Birch, and that's good for making all kinds of, you know, wood backgrounds or whatever. Hippo Happiness. Now I already sold the die that went with this. I just have the stamp. So if you have the die without the stamp, here I've got this one for you. Also, Awesome Otters, another celebration one, which was so cute. I love the video. Go look up my video. It's really darling. And then I have Suit and Tie, or Handsomely Suited. And here's the Suit and Tie dies. And now you can get this with the magnet or without. The magnets are $4 because I get these from Stampin' Storage. They're the good ones. So they're not like handmade DIY, you know, stuff, because that stuff doesn't work. And I just take my original folder and I fold over the flap and I hold it down with packing tape so it stays down, and keep the insert in there, and then just put them inside. They're really great. So the stamp is 10, the dies are 10, and if you want the magnet, it's an extra $4. So it'd be 24 with everything, or 20 without the magnet. You don't have to buy the magnet. The last stamp set I have is Framed for You, and there's not a die to this one, but that's okay. Now, as for dies and stamps, I do have Playful Alphabet, but I am missing my H. I don't know where it went. I'm sure 10 years from now, I'll find it in my underwear drawer or something stupid like that. But the H is missing, which is kind of crazy. So this one, I'll sell for $5. You can either get it with a magnet or not. The magnet's still $4. So anyway, I also have, for whatever reason, the Vases die. So Vibrant Varied Vases. So this is part number 147040. So I don't know why I just have that without the stamp. I think someone bought the stamp set without the punch and then just bought my, anyway, vice versa. And then I have 3 embossing folders. The embossing folders are $5. I have Magnolia 3D embossing folder. If you are going to use a 3D embossing folder, you do need the 3D embossing plate. I'll put the part number for this in the description of my video. Stampin' Up does sell one, even though they say it's for theirs. It'll work in, like, I have a Sizzix and it works just fine. So that's that one. And then the other one is also Ornate Floral. I'm surprised no one bought this. This, I was really sad for this one to go. This is a great embossing folder. Not so great about these, but this one is awesome. So, and then this is Parisian Floral 3D. So these are all 3D folders. And this one's, I didn't care for that, but this one is awesome. I don't understand why it's still here. And then I've got a few little straggler things. Oh, I do have a fancy tag topper. So this is part number 152711. This is also $10. And then I also have some straggler stuff here. I've got the mason jar, shaker domes, part number 153100. It's $3. And the snow globe shaker dome is $5. And then my, this is the linen real red. And I think I took off this much, probably enough to make a bow. And so this one is $4. And this is the Organi striped ribbon, part number 149441, and it's $3. So if there's anything you see that you like, this is, I'm only making this video because literally I was out of town and I've spent the last 4 days solid only shipping out my retireds. I mean, I had a ton of stuff. This is just what's left. So if you see anything, please email me, Noreen at joyofcards.com. Let me know what you want. Like I say, I take Venmo, PayPal, and Zelle. It's this plus shipping. Now, a stamp and a die or a stamp and a punch will fit in a flat rate box. I only do flat rate boxes because the United States Postal Service makes shipping complicated. You need to have a degree in what the heck is this going to cost. So flat rate is great. So a small box can hold a couple of stamps and a die, or a punch and a stamp, maybe 2 stamps and a punch. It's $9.45. A medium box, so a little bit bigger than that, is $16.10. I don't think anybody's gonna grab a big box unless you literally call me or email me and say, I want everything. Then I'd have to fit in a large box and it's $21.50. So anyway, if you like anything here, please email me ASAP. And gosh, if you're seeing this 2 months from now and you're going, oh, she doesn't have it, you just never know. I might have it. I might have this. This might be the only thing that never sells. And it's like, well, I'm not going to like give it away. So you never know. Just email me at Noreen at joyofcards.com and that will do it for me. Thanks. Bye.